Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lisa and I share all things DIY, home styling, and creative solutions for real life spaces. Today I'm tackling a design dilemma in our master bedroom, and I have a little trick that I would love to share with you. I think you're gonna love it. So as you can see, this is where the bed naturally needs to live. This is the biggest wall, but I have this off-centered window and it just drives me crazy. It drives me crazy. And we're not moving it. It's a lot cheaper to just make this work. So I came up with a solution, and I hope you're gonna like it. And I just know that whenever I had problem areas in my house, I really tried to think outside of the box and tried to really come up with a unique way to make the situation work as best as it could. So this is my attempt to make this wall work. This is the only wall we have. This is a king size bed. My husband has his nightstand. I have my nightstand. We both love these nightstands and they're in bad shape. We just can't seem to give them up yet because of the storage, and we just love them. So I guess one day I'll replace them, but not today. We're going to focus on this wall. I started by mounting 2 curtain rods that extend across the entire wall from end to end. This lets me hang curtain panels as if the whole wall is a series of windows. So I'm someone who loves to share DIYs and home makeovers with y'all, but sometimes I get so caught up in my own head. You know that feeling when you're starting a new project or a new idea and you start doubting yourself? It's like, what if this doesn't turn out the way I want? But most of the time, lucky enough, it does. Okay, so I ended up getting 6 of these curtain panels. These are the same curtain panels, same color that I have on my sliding glass doors. So I figured it was neutral enough to where I could put them all along the back side of this wall. And I think it really softens the room up. So I took 2 very long curtain rods. I took the finials off the ends of them and I just stretched them from wall to wall. And I'm just hanging these panels and just kind of fluffing them out to make them somewhat even. So another issue that we had with this bed is it kind of comes in front of the window. That leads us to this little dilemma, which is we've got furniture in front of this window. So that's another reason why I came up with this solution to kind of mask or I guess make it look intentional. So again, I've got 6 panels, and this window right here, you can see part of this headboard covers the window. So this is the trick to the solution, is a mirror that looks like a window. So I'm going to hang it on this side of the bed, and this is going to give symmetry. It's going to give it the illusion that there's 2 windows, and it's going to make it look and feel so much better. I am really loving how this is all coming together. The curtain panels and the mirror trick worked like a charm. The room now feels balanced and the design really comes to life, I think. And I just love this. I love how the mirror brings light into that dark corner, and it just reflects light over on that side of the bed and really gives the illusion that there's a window there. So I added 2 lamps I got from Hobby Lobby, and this canvas art that I also got from Hobby Lobby. I got some new pillows and shams, and I just dressed up my bed a little bit more, and I love how just a little bit of touches like new pillows, curtains, lamps, and some accessories really brought this whole project together. I don't know about y'all, but I think this looks so much better. I got this mirror from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale. And I also got this canvas art from Hobby Lobby as well when it was 50% off. I think they still have them there. And I just think the lamps came from Hobby Lobby. I think that this makes the biggest difference. It looks better. What do y'all think? The illusion just makes my eye and my brain feel a little bit better when I walk in this room. It doesn't feel so odd with that window being there. So this is what it looks like closed. So at night, I just pretend that this is a window. And I close that window. And I close this one. I will say one more thing, that the curtains give my room more of a quiet, softer feel actually. So the fabric's nice. I can just pull these curtains down and wash them whenever they need washed. This little DIY illusion totally transformed my bedroom and cost way less than a renovation for sure. If you have done some really cool, clever things that you'd like to share, please comment below. I would love to hear what you think about this project and any ideas that you came up with that helped save money but give you the designer look and aesthetic that you're looking for your home. Until next time, I'll see y'all in my next video.